What's up? Good morning! Ayo! Magandang umaga. Good morning. Yeah. PCD pa rin. Okay. Asan ka ba? Sa hotel? Hello. May nakita kong S-Fly. Pabs, balik kay Indonesia. Ngayon na. Ang bilis ng set nyo kagabi. Mabilis ba yung set namin kagabi? Bakit dagdagan natin? Gusto niyo yun? Mabilis ba? Pagod nga ako eh. What? Ni-shock nyo kami sa fireworks. I know, right? Ang galing ng Sonara. Dapat lang. Air supply? Air supply wants to call about SB19. Sale sila? Anong ulam? Yun nga ni. Aras kaldo nga ni. Nalaglag pa nga ni. Bye-bye. Kailan simula ng new era? Sorry, I'm just eating. Sarap eh. May world tour kayo? I don't know. Ang hirap talaga mag-live yun, no? Hindi mo alam kung sino entertain mo. Like, yung iba gusto shoutout, yung iba ganyan, yung iba may kwento, yung iba from Thailand, yung iba reaction mo sa Sonara. Okay naman. Occur is fine. Lahat ng artist gusto niyo i-collab namin. What is up? Hinaban doing my... What? It's so hard to read. My goodness, wala ba talagang... What the hell? Palo, ano yan? Watermelon? Yes, it's watermelon. It's nice. And they cut it like this. Like there's a portion na they didn't cut. So, I could have something to hold on to. But it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna eat it anyway. Hence, the internet problem. Sana po kantahin niyo mamaya. What the hell? Medyo monocro. Best Pablo, my research. What the hell? Are you gonna grow your hair? I think I don't have any control over growing my hair or not because it actually grows unless my hair is already receding or something. So I guess it will just naturally grow. Ay, gusto ko panoorin yung Michael Jackson movie. Gusto ko panoorin yun. Nobody's promised tomorrow. I'ma love you every night. Pag may nadidinig akong malupit or something that's really great, ang first expression ko is, loko ka. So parang, galing, parang ganun siya. So, pag nakita niyo ako sa mga vlog, hindi siya derogatory. Almost is never enough. Ano, nakalimutan ko. Pagsam. Tama na. 12:30, turning this off. I can only, my social battery runs for an hour only. So, yeah, I don't want to keep staring at the camera. Beautiful. Who's loving you? Honey, you okay? Are you okay, honey? Honey, are you okay? Loko ka? Pablo. I just woke up. His love story to his child, ganyan. Kasi wala na yung partner niya, parang ganyan. Tapos biglang naging strip lang, piano lang. Then by the time I was your age, I gave anything. Basta namatay yung babae. Yun yung kwento ng terrible. Pakinggan nyo na. It's so hard. Wow! Na. Oo, kasi walang internet eh. Mahanap eh. Ano ba yan? Nagkukwento ko, nakakalimutan ko yung lyrics. It's just I'm not afraid of hurting anymore. And the blood in these veins, like it ever has. Ano ba yan? Basta pakinggan nyo na lang. Yan. Okay? Okay, 1 minute, 1 hour na ako, guys. Thank you so much for listening to this, what do you call this? Kaya pala medyo nakakalimutan ko na yung mga kwento because it's past my threshold sa pagla-live. So, thank you guys so much. I hope you had fun. Please do watch Aurora Day 2 later. Love you guys. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, paano to off? Yun. Bye-bye.